pipeline management. I wanted to share some tips and tricks with you, and you can apply this to just about every element of your pipeline. But I want to talk just a second about your figure pipeline. So, tips and tricks, best practices, I want to refer to it as being a power user. Please, no matter what pipeline you're looking at, be sure to log in and review it every single day. Check the statuses of your file. If you're not sure of what a particular status means, dive in, look it up, call whoever you need to call to find out what that status is. Now, turn yourself into a power user, and in the Figure Lead portal, when you're looking at your pipeline or you just sent off a new inquiry to a new client of yours, click into the pipeline and copy the borrower link and structure your own email out to the borrower as part of your follow-up process and managing your pipeline. Manage your pipeline, understand the statuses every single day, and follow up where you need to. I hope you find that helpful. Go and be proactive when it comes to your pipeline.